Unlocking the power of unity, strength in numbers. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you've probably heard before: strength in numbers. This expression is not just common in English conversations but also carries a deep meaning about unity and teamwork. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply expanding your idiomatic knowledge, understanding phrases like this can add depth to your communication skills. Let's explore what makes strength in numbers a phrase worth knowing. At its core, strength in numbers suggests that groups can provide more support, power, or effectiveness than individuals acting alone. This phrase emphasizes the advantage of working together towards a common goal. It's a reminder that collaboration and collective effort often lead to greater success than solitary endeavors. This idea can be applied in various contexts, from overcoming challenges to achieving complex tasks. It highlights the importance of teamwork, solidarity, and mutual support. The concept of strength in numbers has roots that run deep in history, finding relevance in military strategies, social movements, and even in the natural world where animals band together for survival. In modern times, this phrase is used in both professional and personal settings. In the workplace, it underscores the value of team projects and collaborative efforts. In social and political movements, it highlights the power of collective action and unity in bringing about change. To fully grasp the phrase's usage, let's look at some examples. The workers believed there was strength in numbers, so they banded together to negotiate for better conditions. Facing a difficult task, the team quickly learned that there was indeed strength in numbers as they combined their skills to find a solution. In the animal kingdom, many species demonstrate that there is strength in numbers, traveling in packs or flocks to protect themselves from predators. These examples show how the phrase can be effectively used to convey the power of unity and collaboration in various scenarios. Understanding phrases like strength in numbers enriches your English vocabulary and helps you communicate more nuanced ideas. It's a testament to the universal truth that we are often stronger together than we are alone. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of unity and teamwork, not just in language but in life. Thank you for watching, and remember, in learning and in life, there's always strength in numbers. So keep sharing knowledge and supporting each other. See you in our next video.